Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Travis in Illinois on the RCI 99N4. Travis got it ready to go for you, bud. Fully loaded out. All the upgrades. Got your high cut filter back here as well. You've got RF power all the way down, 500 watt slug. And we got you sitting there about 20 watts all the way down, maybe 25. Roll it up. Just a scotch over 100. Show you average power swing. Low 220 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Low 600 PEP. Alright, Mr. Travis, we'll get this out to you along with your Extreme 2018 mic from your friend Truck at TruckCBSales.com. You got wise and got Truckerized. Bump up.